Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Spider plants are moderately fast-growing plants. The leaves are green or striped green and white. Yes, today we are talking about the spider plant. We have given the information of spider plant in earlier videos, but today's video is a little special. You might all know that this year there's a very heavy rainfall and even Delhi. Although it is the second week of October, but there are heavy rainfall every day and we have no shade in a rooftop garden. So all plants stay under the direct sunlight or direct rainfall. Along with other plants, the spider plant has been also affected. As you can see, the plant's condition is really bad. My mom used to check the drainage holes of this plant every time. So my mom decided to separate the baby plant from the mother plant in separate pots, so that we have a lot of spider plant next year. Now the question arises, what are the benefits of the spider plant, or why do we need spider plants? It is not surprising that spider plants are so popular. They have numerous amounts of benefits, such as though they look great on counter or tabletop, spider plants don't need to take up valuable space because you can grow them in a hanging basket, or even it can enhance your garden beauty, and they're great for beginners as they require minimal care. Delhi has extreme climate, so in the hot summer the other plants get brown. Luckily these plants keep our balcony, rooftop garden green. As I had said to you, they produce lots of new plants and are easy to propagate. Unlike many other popular house plants like oleander, they are safe around pets. Oh, look at our new plants. These are the baby plants which have been propagated. The soil must be sandy and fertile. Look, the plants are so big in these small pots. The pots are around 4 to 5 inches. Let's talk about the spider plant care. Here are the main care requirements for growing spider plants. Spider plants must be grown in moist, loamy soil with good drainage. You can also use sandy soil. The spider plant prefers to grow in light shade. To avoid harsh sunlight, keep the plant in shaded area. Look, right now my mom is removing the weeds. This case is for any plant. Weeding regularly is very important, otherwise the plant will have a very bad condition. This plant does not only grow in pots but also does well in containers. So you can keep it in glass, colorful pots or plastic pots. That way it will look very beautiful. Water and fertilize regularly throughout the growing season. My mom prefers liquid fertilizers. It may contain liquid kitchen waste or vegetable peel fertilizer. And also remove dead or browning leaves as they appear. Now when the tip of your plant becomes brown, then you have to water carefully, as its cause might be overwatering or underwatering. That's all for today. Bye bye.